This week we organized the Curaçao Blockchain Week. It was a week filled with blockchain events hosted here in Blockchain Labs. We did 8 different workshops hosted by different organizations, all with their own topic and their own audience. It was a great week if you ask me. We learned so much, we connected with the community. We even brainstormed about use cases beyond what we're used to really see how we can propel Curaçao beyond the level that we're used to and use the technology to better organize our entire society.
I hope for the island that it might provide a solution amongst many possible problems, but especially for the payment gateway issue we're having at the moment, like the lack of payment systems for e-commerce, web shops and such. It's like that for me is one of the most important things.
Sí, está muy bom. Se abre gosto, também é legal. Porque nossa base tem um cabo de mundo de blockchain. Tu me abre assim, coisa nova. Se quer gostar outro também de tentar hobby bom simbang para blockchain para Curaçao. Sim, seguro.
I think everyone here is fantastic. I'm really surprised at the level of technical talent here in Curaçao just from this simple event, because back in Barbados I find that more persons are kind of at the beginner level, especially in terms of web applications, but it seems that persons already have a pretty solid understanding of web application development, so we're actually able to move pretty quickly ahead. And the questions I'm getting, I can tell that persons already have deep interest in taking this now to the next step.